In this video, we're going to focus on how you can create a customized shape in Chart.js 4 in a line chart. So let's start to look how to create a filler shape in Chart.js 4. And this here is something very interesting and I didn't even knew this exists. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get a border template, which you can find here on chartjs3.com getting started, this link, which is in the description box. Once you're on here, just copy this chunk of code and you're good to go. Next, want to support my Patreon, check out my Patreon page here, link as well in the description box. And of course, we need more Discord members. We only have right now 12 members. We need more, so join us. So what we're going to do here is create our filler shape, which will work very commonly on a line chart. So if I save this, ignore that one, we have this line chart. But what if we would like to have an additional shape that would make a point, and then eventually has somewhere else as well point, and that item would be filled up with a color. So that is luckily very easy to do if you know how, and we're going to work on this right now. So this is just another data set, and I'm going to say here, we're going to give it a label. Let's say here, filler. Alright, and then what I'm going to do here is going to grab here. Oh, first of all, I'm going to say indication, what are we going to make? We're going to say this will be a fill type, and this will be a shape. And how this shape will look like, well, let's start to work on it. So I'm going to say here in the data, and then what I'm going to do in here is create this curly braces, and then I'm going to say I want to start at Monday. And that's for the X. And then, for example, for Monday number 12. So you say Y12. And then what I will do is just keep on going. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. And we're going to say here, this will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then if I just save this, we will have a basic straight line. So let's give this line a nice color. So we can say here comma, I'm going to say here border color, and we can make this an array, but basically it would not matter. In this case, we can just grab any of this. Well, let me just grab the bluish color here, comma, save. There we are, we have a nice blue color. Let's put in a background color as well, and I'll just grab this here like that. Going to copy this, and I will make this 0.2 for transparency purposes. Save, refresh. So we have here transparency, everything else, and maybe here border with 1 as well. Save that. There we are. Now what I want to do is I want this to create another area here. So what I could do here is basically just, we can just copy this. I'm going to put it in here, but now I'm going to go back. I say Sunday, and for example, I want to go down, and then this will be number 4. So on Sunday, we will have 4. Oh, that's not there, but here, this will be number 4. This will be number 5, number 6. Here, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. But here, this will be Sunday, so we're going backwards, Saturday. And then here, Friday, Thursday, that's fine, Wednesday, Tuesday, and finally, Monday. Save this, refresh, and as you can see here, now it creates a filler shape, which is absolutely phenomenal. And you could play around with that, of course, here, but, oh, let's ignore this, sorry. Save that, there we are, and it plays around. You can, as you can see here, it will create this filler. Of course, it won't close this as a shape, but this is a quite nice item. It will recognize these different values here, creating this customized shape.